Hey everyone, Alex here with a sample of our puff prints, and I'm going to show you how to apply these onto t-shirts and other apparel in a few simple steps. Before we press them, let's go over the specs on these transfers. To find them, go to Heat Transfers from the home page and search Puff, or click on Screen Printed Heat Transfers on the left-hand menu, then click and scroll to the formula. Our puff transfers are a great way to make your designs really pop and stand out thanks to the 3D effect. Their starting price is at $2 per single image on a 9 by 12.75 inch sheet or $11.15 for a gang sheet. They can be applied on 100% cotton poly blends, cotton dominant tri blends, and canvas. Your designs can include up to 2 colors, and you can choose from our stock colors or add on Pantone matching at an extra cost. Okay, now let's get to pressing. First, set your heat press to 360 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, 370 for 100% cotton, which is what I'm using. And you already know that our preferred blanks are Super Soft Apparel, and I'm using their premium SU7000T in this video. Then you're gonna lay down your design where you want to print it, and make sure your pressure is set to 60 psi on an automatic machine like the one I'm using, or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. Then press for 7 seconds, peel hot, and you're all set.